For this week's class, we'll be taking a look at Kaggle. Kaggle is an incredible resource for learning about data science. It's kind of like an Airbnb for data scientists, data analysis, and all the data enthusiasts. The website is for sharing ideas, getting inspired, competing against other data science, learning new information, and coding tricks. There's over $500,000 active Kagglers from over 195 countries. You can see that Kaggle has a significant amount of databases. In fact, there's over 60,000 databases, and that number continues to grow every day as individuals continue to upload different data sets from different resources. You can explore the entire data set of over 218,000 data sets with some very simple filters that you can apply for your search, as well as different sorting of the results. These databases range across a wide variety of industries and cases for you to look at. You can type in an industry such as retail and come up with a significant amount of information or data sets that are relevant to it. You see, we have nearly 2,000 data sets relevant to retail. You can sort by usability, most votes, and different aspects. Some of the things you want to pay attention to is the usability of each of these data sets and the number of files, as well as the rank or vote of the user who uploaded it. When you click on a data set, it gives you some significant information. You see the usability score, whether or not it's an open database, and how often it is updated. It has some description information and context for the dataset, and you get a preview of the dataset itself. You can see additional information and the number of downloads and views. Additionally, there are relevant or similar databases and coding that has been applied to this in the notebooks. Notebooks is an active code that you can take a look at. So you can see here we have the market assessment, and here lies the code that they used to get a scatter plot. So it's pretty incredibly detailed and walks you through some significant information about each of the data sets. But that's not all. Kaggle has a whole list of competitions that you can join or practice on from varying levels of awards. You can see this one's $1 million, and there's 800 teams working on it, all the way to some that have swag or knowledge with different tiers of teams. These are also searchable. And as you get better and better at learning how to code, you can see that it tracks your expertise. As you progress through the program, it tells you what you need to do to be able to progress through the level of tiers. Eventually, you will get to Grandmaster, which is the highest level that you can get. And you can see how that's all computed here. Breaks down the number of votes you have to get in different parts of Kaggle. Additionally, it has pre-built models that you can take a look at and apply to your data sets. Full details, what it's used for, and how it's broken down. Code is another way to look at data sets that have been analyzed using machine learning. You can see there's a wide variety of examples. They additionally have a discussion forum where you can work through your thoughts and ask questions, as well as learn from others who are on the platform. All those incredible the number, all the other active users on the platform. Lastly, they have a significant amount of step-by-step educational training and programming. This is an incredible resource for you, as you can find education in a wide variety of areas. This is an incredible tool set for you as an individual if you want to refine your skill sets. They walk you through the different aspects of the program, and then it gives you the ability to test your knowledge in a notebook. A notebook is an active session where you can run code. And you can see right now it's standing up an instance. And then when it's finished, we'll give it a moment. See, it says setup complete. Here we'll run this one. This is hello world. Now it's wanting you to make adjustments. So you progressively learn while actively implementing your coding here. It's a really powerful tool. We won't be going over or through it in this class, but definitely something you'll want to take a look at if you are interested in coding. And then right at your dashboard, it has steps to walk you through getting started in Kaggle. What I want you to take away from Kaggle is that it provides a lot of opportunity to learn some technical skills when it comes to data mining and data analysis. Has an available GPU, user-friendly UI, supports both R and Python, so you can practice different code sets right on the browser, and you can create an impressive online portfolio, which can be considered by recruiters definitely something that can highlight your capabilities as a data scientist or a data miner. And you're able to grow by being connected and connected to the community of others who are looking to grow themselves. For this week, I want you to take some time and go to through the data sets that are here. I want you to search for something that is relevant to an industry that you have interest in. And then I want you to look for the data sets that make sense for you. Look for a data set that would make sense for you, and then you'll submit that as part of one of your assignments. Some of the things again to keep note of here is that you can see what other people have done with the data set. That might give you some ideas in the later weeks of how to analyze this data set.